In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open PDF in Google Chrome instead of downloading. If every PDF you click keeps saving to your computer and cluttering your downloads folder, this quick setting will make Chrome open PDFs right in a new tab so you can read them instantly. First, look to the top right corner of Chrome for the three vertical dots. This is the menu button. Click it, and from the drop-down, choose Settings. This opens Chrome's main settings page, where we can adjust how the browser handles different types of content. On the left-hand side, click Privacy and Security. This section controls what sites can do and how Chrome treats different file types. In the center of the page, find and click Site Settings. Site Settings is where Chrome groups permissions and content behaviors, including how it handles PDFs. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom of the Site Settings page. You'll see a section called Additional Content Settings. Click it to expand more options. From the list that appears, click PDF Documents. This is the dedicated area for how Chrome processes PDF files when you click them on the web. On the PDF Documents page, select the option that says Open PDFs in Chrome. Once this is turned on, Chrome will display PDFs directly in a new tab using its built-in viewer instead of downloading them to your computer. It's a smoother, faster way to preview documents, forms, manuals, and guides without switching to another app or digging through your downloads folder. A few quick notes to keep things running smoothly. The wording or exact placement of this setting might vary slightly if Chrome has updated, but it will still live under Site Settings, inside Additional Content Settings, then PDF Documents. If you're using a work or school computer that is managed by an administrator, this option could be locked or pre-configured. In that case, you may see it grayed out. Also, certain extensions can force downloads. If PDFs keep downloading even after you change the setting, temporarily disable any download or PDF-related extensions and try again. Even with this setting on, you can still download a specific PDF whenever you want. When the PDF opens in a tab, use the built-in toolbar at the top of the viewer to download or print the file. That way you get the best of both worlds: instant viewing when you need it, and an easy download when you choose. That's it. From now on, when you click a PDF link, it will open right in Chrome in a new tab. A much faster way to view your files. You're all set, done.